everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. I'm Labina from the Friendly Neighborhood Shop. I'll be doing a very short and sweet and compressed skincare and makeup video. If you do like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and follow me on all my other social media platforms. This would be the final look. So let's not waste any more time. Carry on watching, but hang on, press the subscribe button first. Go on. If this is your first time at my channel, I welcome you. Hope you have been having a wonderful year so far. I'm done with my skincare and I'm gonna move on to makeup. And before you go on, if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel and carry on watching. Follow me on all my other social media platforms. I'll be starting with my eyebrows. I am a big fan of Tarte's mousse. So this is in rich brown. Eyebrows done, and I'm just going to go on to my eyeshadow. The palette that I can't get enough of is this. This is their Tarte Lit. This is the colors. You have all the colors here that you can use pretty much every day. My concealer is also by Fenty Beauty. It's also in the same shade 220. So the color that I'm gonna be using, it's number 2 shade by this brand Pudaier. It's a lip gloss. You can check it out in my online shop. I will drop the link to this item in the description box below. Alright, I'm done. This is the final look, and we need to rush out of our house very soon.